Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing. We had high pressure over the region, providing plenty of sunshine this weekend, but we are seeing those clouds on the increase this morning. We're going to continue to see increasing cloudiness throughout the day today, and even a chance of rain as we get into the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we've got a pretty strong system here in the central portions of the country that are going to be making its way toward the east coast as we go through the next couple of days. We'll see a few showers later on this afternoon, and then some more rain after midnight tonight as we see pieces of upper level energy ahead of this frontal boundary make its way over the Wallops region over the course of the next 24 hours. We're going to see continued chances for rain over the next couple of days, so pattern will be fairly unsettled as we go through the midweek period. I want to take a quick look here at our radar, and you can see nothing really showing up. A few very weak returns off to the southwest, just southwest of Wakefield, and that's going to continue to make its way a little farther to the northeast over the next few hours and potentially provide us with some rain chances later on this afternoon. But for the next few hours, we should remain dry with all precipitation staying off to the west. Taking a look at our infrared satellite, you can see here plenty of cloudiness on its way as we see those clouds begin to thicken off to our southwest. That will begin to stream over the Wallops region over the course of the next few hours. So right now, just seeing a broken deck of clouds at 25,000 feet. We'll see those clouds become overcast as we go throughout the late morning and into the afternoon. I want to take a quick look here at our short-range model over the next few hours. Current time, as you can see, picking up pretty good on the rain over North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. As we go throughout the noontime hour and into the afternoon, you can see those rain chances beginning to increase as we get to around 2 o'clock into the 3 o'clock hour, seeing some light rain showers possible with that piece of rain shield that is currently off to our southwest that will be making its way off to the northeast and over the Wallops region later this afternoon. After that goes through, we'll likely see a little break in the action, maybe a little bit of drizzle. Certainly see our clouds begin to ceilings begin to fall as we go into the evening hours, and then after midnight we'll see those chances become likely for rain, with even some moderate rain showers expected after midnight and into the first portion of the day on Tuesday. We'll see those rain showers likely before moving off the coast in the afternoon, probably around 2 or 3 o'clock. As we go into the evening hours of Tuesday, we'll continue to see low cloudiness and a chance of some drizzle as we go into the day on Wednesday and into the afternoon hours of Wednesday and the Wednesday evening. That's when we'll actually start to see the frontal boundary take shape off to the west and make its way across the Wallops region late Wednesday night into very early Thursday morning. Switching models here and showing the long-range European model. Starting out with Wednesday afternoon, you can see the rain showers lined up across that cold front as it makes its way across the state of Virginia and through our area during the evening hours of Thursday. It looks like that should pass through during the early morning hours of Thursday, and as we wake up Thursday morning, we should see that rain off the coast at that point and some breezier conditions as well. Can't rule out slight chance of a thunderstorm embedded in these rain showers as it moves through late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, but at this point looking at some pretty low chances, less than 20% for those embedded thunderstorms as the front moves through the area. But as that moves off the coast, we're going to see windy and cooler conditions begin to invade the Wallops region for the end of the week, and continuing to cool off as we go into the weekend. We'll see high pressure begin to make its way into the region, but for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, you're going to likely see a fair amount of clouds behind that front as we see lots of upper level energy still over the Wallops region through the day on Saturday, creating those clouds that will likely average out mostly cloudy for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before high pressure at the upper levels of the atmosphere really starts to clear us out as we go into the day on Sunday. So back to our upper level winds here and what we expect upper level wind wise here. Current currently, as of this morning's release, we saw westerly winds at the low levels of the atmosphere, turning a little bit more southwesterly at about the 3,000 to 6,000 foot level before taking more of a northwesterly component as we get to about 25,000 feet, with those winds increasing up to about 49 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level was at 7,100 feet. Over the next 24 hours, we're going to see a little bit of hazardous weather start to make its way into the forecast as we get into the afternoon. That chance of rain, likely beginning around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, should be fairly light and should be quick hitting as well during the afternoon period. Just about a couple of hours of light rain before we see a little bit of a break during the early evening hours before those rain chances increase once again by midnight tonight and into the overnight hours. And that's when we'll see our best chance of some moderate rain shower activity during the overnight hours into Tuesday morning as those rain showers really start to set in across the area. So about a 70% chance of those afternoon rain showers today, and then for Tuesday looking pretty much like a solid bed of rain, especially during the first part of the day. During the afternoon we'll likely see some lingering showers early, and then start to see just some low cloudiness, maybe some drizzle for the late afternoon and evening hours of Tuesday. On Wednesday, looking at some mostly cloudy to overcast conditions, a chance of some drizzle or some light rain showers during the first part of the day on Wednesday, but the best chance will be during the evening hours of Wednesday night as we see that cold front across the region. Again, just a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm, and we'll see some mild temperatures across that ahead of that front, looking at a daytime high of 60 degrees on Wednesday. Looking into the forecast for the rest of the week, into the end of the week, we're going to see some cooler temperatures, mostly cloudy and breezy conditions for Thursday and Friday, and then starting to see a little bit more sunshine as we work our way into the weekend, especially on Sunday, but that will be accompanied by some much cooler temperatures as Arctic high pressure builds into the region. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 20s, those daytime highs in the low 40s. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.